morning, everybody. Today we're going to be swapping out the steering wheel on my Identity Crisis, as it's come to be known, I guess. See how that name kind of plays out with the car. I'm going to be swapping out the 3-spoke to a Mark 6 steering wheel. It should be pretty simple, kind of go over little tricks to make it kind of a direct swap. I had a multi-function wheel, so I'm going to be possibly swapping out my clock spring to simplify things even more for myself. We'll see what happens when we get in there. I'll show you the wheels and we'll get going. All right, so here's the wheel that's going in, Mark 6 wheel. And in order to make it a simpler swap, you get this connector, this airbag connector, out of a Mark 4.5 City, Jetta or Golf, and then it has the connector for the bag, and then it has the Mark 4 style airbag connector at the clock spring, and then that makes it a direct plug and play. You don't have to do any funky wiring or repinning of connectors or anything. And here's the wheel that I have in the car now, just a standard 3-spoke. And yeah, so we'll get to it. There's 2 little holes in the back of the wheel that you push to release the clips holding the bag on. Then you can unplug it, undo the nut, pull the bag off. Pretty simple. Yeah, we'll cut to me working and doing it. All right, there's the new wheel installed. Looking good, I think. I didn't end up having to... I was wrong. Didn't have to change the clock spring. The connector was the same on the clock spring between the multifunction and the standard airbag. Or the standard wheel without multifunction, so that just direct plug in. And now we're all set. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.